Today we are going to make anchovy and gherkin slice circles. So for that we need stale bread and uh, gherkin slices and some butter and anchovy paste and parsley and some boiled eggs. So first step is cut some neat rounds of bread. I already cut it, and fry them in a nice golden brown in butter or uh, salad oil. So so in the moment I put some butter and salad oil there. So so I have to fry it until it gets golden brown color. Now you can see it's golden brown color. So I will take this out and I will do the same process for the whole uh, stale bread. You can see now still that uh, bread is fried until it's golden brown color. Now it's hot. So step 3 is uh, allow them to cool. So now we need something to spread over on bread slices. So step 4 is mix a little anchovy paste and butter together. So we have butter, we have anchovy paste, and I'm going to mix it together. Take some butter, took some butter and take some anchovy paste and I'm going to mix butter and anchovy paste together. So this is the mixture of butter and anchovy paste. So obviously the next step 5 is spread the mixture over bread. So I take some anchovy paste. I'm going to spread. Put the camera here. Take some one loaf and spread some anchovy paste over this slice. So I will do over this slice, and I will do the same process for all the slices. So I finish it. Now these are now the slices are with the mixture of butter and anchovy paste. So our gherkin slices are still pending. So step number 6 is arrange small rounds of pickled midget gherkin rounds top of the bread circles. So take and I'm targeting this one now. in the one corner, one slice, and the other corner another gherkin circles. So one corner, another corner. I will do the same process for each and every bread slices. So I put slices here, gherkin slices, and now we have step 7 is in the center of each round of gherkin pipe a small flower of anchovy butter. So instead of a pipe, I am using a polythene, and here is our nice flower thing. Yep. So I will do the same process for each and every slice. So you can make a nice flower by using a good pipe, and I just make a small flower like thing. So step 8 is fill the center with finely chopped white and powdered yolk of egg. So I'm going to chop the white. And I'm going to powder the yolk. So this is powdered yolk and chopped white. So in the center I put some here you can see I put some chopped white and some powdered yolk. So I'm going to do the same process for all the slices. So these are the slices with white and yolk, chopped white and powdered yolk. So still our parsley is not used. So last step 10, garnish with chopped parsley. So I took some parsley. So I just garnish like this. So I will do the same process for each and every slice. So I garnish with parsley. So and so last step 11. So because the still anchovy butter is still anchovy and butter mixture is still not much hard enough. So step number 11, leave in the refrigerator to harden the butter. Then arrange as a yeah. So I have to put this in this all the slices in a refrigerator. So I am going to put it. So after putting into the refrigerator or the fridge, so this is the anchovy gherkin, and these are the anchovy and gherkin circles. So these are really delicious. You can try it in your home.